Welcome everyone. Today, the organization continues in the Mashack household. I'm going to show you how I take this hanging shoe organizer and I use it to organize some of my office and school supplies. Let's get started. One of the cheapest ways to organize your home is to use hanging shoe organizer. I love these things. I mean, you can organize areas of your pantry, your office, your bathroom. You can use it for makeup. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I purchased mine off of Amazon. They came in a 2-pack for, I say, around $15. Comment down below if you would like to see me use the other one in another video. Right here, I'm just making a list of all the items that I want to put in my shoe organizer. That way, when I start to make the labels, I know exactly what to write on them. Do you like to use shoe hanging organizers as well? What are some of your favorite things you like to organize with them? Okay, now I'm starting on the labels. I'm going to handwrite my labels. You don't have to do that. You can just buy the labels from the store and print them out on your computer. Here I'm just using a felt tip pen to write my labels. Now my labels are ready to go. Before I started labeling, I laid out my shoe organizer and I placed every item that I was going to organize on top of the pocket so I could see exactly where I want to place everything. I took a picture of this and later you'll see me use that picture to place my labels. Time to label. I have my labels, my photo. Now my labels are done. I would say if you're going to use these labels, please know exactly where you're going to put them, because if you make a mistake, it's going to be very hard to remove them. I'll put another suggestion in the description box below. Now it's time to organize. And we're done. Here's a close-up of everything. If you wanted to, you can take all the items out of their packaging and place them in. But for me, most of these are just extras. So as I use them, I'll take them out. But it's your preference. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope I inspired you to organize a space in your home. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thanks again for watching.